In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images in Claude AI. Whether you're using the web browser or the Claude desktop app, this process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you feel confident about doing it yourself. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Claude in your web browser or through the Claude desktop app. If you haven't already done so, ensure you're logged in to access the application's features properly. Next, take a moment to decide whether you'd like to start a new chat or if you want to continue in an existing conversation. This flexibility allows you to upload your images in any context that suits your needs. Now take a look at the chat box. You'll notice a plus sign icon right next to the message box. Go ahead and click on that plus button. This action will open up a menu for you, providing you with options to enrich your chat experience. From the list, select the option that says Add Files or Photos. This is your key step to uploading any image or photo you desire from your device. Once you've selected Add Files or Photos, a window will pop up, prompting you to browse through your computer. This is where you should locate the image you're planning to upload. Navigate through your files, pick the right image, and then click on it to select it. Don't worry if you have to sift through your folders a little bit. Take your time to find exactly what you want. After you've selected your image, click on the Open button. This action doesn't just upload the image, it integrates it smoothly into your dialogue, allowing for a more dynamic and interactive chat experience. But remember, you've got a couple of alternatives here if that's more your style. You can also choose to drag and drop your image directly into the chat window. It's as simple as clicking and holding your file, then dragging it over and releasing it within the chat. There's also the option of copying an image to your clipboard and pasting it directly into the conversation. This can be handy if you're working with images you found online or ones you're copying from other documents. It's a neat and quick way to get your desired image into Claude without even dealing with file directories. Now after you've uploaded, dragged, or pasted your image, pause for a moment. You'll see a thumbnail of your image appear in the chat window. This visual confirmation means your upload was successful. Finally, you're ready to enhance your interaction. Just type any prompt related to your image. Perhaps you're asking a question, seeking advice, or simply making a statement. Once your prompt is ready, simply press enter and your conversation with Claude AI will include both your text and the image. That's it, you're all set. With these steps, uploading an image to Claude AI is a breeze, and I hope this guide helps make your chat interactions more engaging and effective. Thank you for watching, and happy chatting.